The Roomba has these infrared sensors, and I have to know exactly where those sensors are aiming in order to build attachments that don't get in the way of them. So I'm gonna switch to infrared. Okay, there we go. That's them on the front there. It's fascinating. So anything that I build to go on top of this, like my B2 droid, cannot interfere with those sensors. And all this really means is that I'm gonna have to remove the bottom front plate, the slanted part right there, off of the B2, and keep that change in mind for any future droids I build. In the meantime, you lost weight, R5! Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy crafting. See you later.